What's up, guys? JFM here, welcome back. Today, I've got a little bit of a different video for you guys. I want to talk about servers in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Since my Realm series launched, I've got a lot of questions regarding servers, so I wanted to make a video on 2 ways you guys can use to make servers in Minecraft Pocket Edition very easily. So, the first way to make a server is obviously using Mojang's official Realm service. You can have 2 to 10 players online, and it costs $4 to $8 per month. It's also in the Minecraft app, so it's convenient and it definitely gets the job done for private, small-scale servers. So the second option is by using a product called Leet. It's an awesome app for Android and iOS that lets you create your own servers, and it has much more customization option than Realms, but it's a separate app. So there are some pros, there are some cons. I'm gonna be going over it today, and you guys can decide what type of server you'd like to make and exactly how much it's going to cost you. Now, the main benefit to using Leet is the fact that it's much more flexible than Realms, not only in its pricing, but also its features and functionalities. So there are a lot more features you can use, but they may make your server a little bit more expensive than a normal Realm would be. So we're gonna go over that today. This is the Leet app itself. Now, the most important part about Leet servers is the credits. Now, these servers are run on credits rather than monetary subscriptions like Realms. So you buy credits and then you use the credits on different features, and the credits get used per day to keep your server running, which is really cool. When you create your first server, you'll actually have 7 days free. As you can see up at the top, it says credits used per day is 10, and everybody starts with 70 credits for free. Now, if you use my code JFM, you'll get an extra 70, so you can get up to 14 days for free, which is super cool. So now that you know about these credits, let's talk about what they can buy. Now, there are so many optional features with Leet, and that's where it really stands out compared to Realms. First off, you can change the name of your server, you can change the domain of your server, which is super cool. You can also add spawn protection, add whitelist, change the game modes, use world edit, use economy, use factions, use a mining plugin. There's so much to this app. So as we go through here, this is a list of all the plugins, things like world edit, factions, PvP mining. It's just absolutely nuts how many different options there are for these servers. It's really crazy, and some of them are completely unique to the Leet service themselves, so it's really awesome. Now, I've gone ahead and created a server and added a few plugins myself, none that are too major. I just wanted to go ahead and dive in and see what it was like, so I went ahead and did it, and I tweeted it out, and this is my server. Take a look, guys. I've got some people around here. We're just chilling, breaking some wood, mining, doing a little bit of just survival, you know, nothing too crazy. So this is what a multiplayer server can look like using Leet. Now, Realms would look very similar to this, however, it would be more expensive for a server this simple. If I were to add more things, Realms might be a little cheaper, but it can't compete with some of these plugins that Leet has. So it's really a toss-up on what you guys prefer. Each way is perfectly fine. Now, I think it would be really cool to see somebody implement factions and economy and PvP arenas, tournaments, different stuff like that into servers like this, because you could do it. It would be really cool. So I don't know, if you guys are interested, I might make like a big Leet server with like 100 slots and just to add some cool stuff. I don't know, like an economy. Maybe we could have a little server together. I don't know, because Realms, you can't. If I were to make a server for you guys, I would not use Realms. If I were to create a server for a small amount of people, I could see using Realms, but for a server for you guys, I would definitely need spawn protection. I would definitely want to have economy. That would be super cool. So there are a few different things that I'd want to use, and Leet would definitely be cool for that, so let me know if you guys would like that. But if I can't provide that, there is one thing I want to let you guys go with before I leave. By creating this video, I've started a discussion about servers, and for the most part, everybody here probably has interest in being invited or creating their own server. So, to make this much simpler on a ton of people, guys, go ahead and leave your in-game names below, or leave your server IPs below if you have a server and are looking for new members, because pretty much anybody here either wants to create a server or just wants to be a part of something. So, guys, guys leave your in-game names and IPs in the description below, and hopefully you guys can go ahead and create some friendships and create some online servers just in the comment section below. Every single person watching this video could go make a server right now and have that server run for free for 14 days if you use my code. So there should be plenty of servers and plenty of fun action going on with you guys in the comment section. And you know what? If I end up making a server, I'll invite you guys as well. This current update has brought so much fun to playing online with friends, so I thought I would create this video, and hopefully everybody that wants to can find a server either on their own in the comments or create their own server for free for a few days and then pay like $1 a month. So it's really not that big of a deal. And yeah, huge thank you to Leet for sponsoring this video. Realms unfortunately did not sponsor this, but of course you've got to mention Realms. It's a great product. It's a little bit more pricey than Leet, but Leet can be more pricey than Realms at the same time. So it's up to you guys to decide what you would like for your server or what server you're playing on. So the final verdict for me, if you're making a server and you want economy or you want factions or you want more features, Leet is obviously the only option for you. However, if you want a small server, just a few of your friends to play on, well, it's a toss-up. Realms or Leet, both work well. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay frosty, my friends. Peace, guys. See ya. Bye-bye.